Hey there, I'm Matthew Gatos, and welcome to The Warehouse. This is a new weekly show where we're going to be sharing the DFTBA warehouse with you guys. You're going to see us packing up your shirts and rolling your posters and just sending you all of the stuff. And we're also going to answer your questions and share all the exciting DFTBA news with you guys. And to tell you a little bit more about this, here is Hank Green.
I love our warehouse. I like being at it. I like touching all of the things. I like seeing them all go out into the world, and I like the people who work here. We're always doing new things, and I just kind of wanted it to be shared with people. And so when we brought Matthew on, because he vlogs already, it seemed like sort of a no-brainer to have some video content coming out of the warehouse so you can see what it's like and how it works. Even though it's kind of creepy with the weird murals. This used to be a karate dojo, so it's less creepy. The other side is where the daycare was. So thanks for checking out The Warehouse on The Warehouse. Back to Matthew.
So let's get into it. Recently there's been some really awesome news in the land of DFTBA. Mr. Sparks McGee himself, Will Wheaton, has joined the DFTBA family. And he has some lovely merchandise available for pre-order right now on DFTBA.com. My personal favorite is the Wheaton's Law t-shirt designed by none other than Hank Green. And actually we just started receiving some of the Will Wheaton merchandise here at the warehouse. So if you pre-ordered either of these two posters, they are actually already on their way to you right now. And the rest of the Will Wheaton merchandise should be getting here very soon. So expect those in your mailboxes early to mid-August. And in other new merch news, recently the folks over at Potter Puppet Pals created a cute little Pizza Ron shirt for Harry to wear. So we liked it a lot, and you guys on Tumblr liked it a lot as well. So we went ahead and made it available in human sizes on DFTBA.com. And it's expected to ship in early August. And another pre-order that recently went up on the website is the card game Story War, which is also expected to ship out early August. And if you'd like to see how Story War is played before you go ahead and press that pre-order button, you can go ahead and click right here, and that'll take you to a video of Hank and friends playing Story War on the Hank Games channel. And the last pre-order item I'd like to talk to you guys about today is a new design from Karen Hallion. You've probably seen her designs all over Tumblr or on DFTBA.com, where we already carry her Rapunzel TARDIS t-shirt and Rapunzel TARDIS poster. Well, this is an all-new design. It is a Brave TARDIS t-shirt, and it is available for pre-order right now on DFTBA.com, and it is expected to ship in late August. And finally, I'm sure most of you are very aware, but VidCon is coming up this weekend. And we just shipped over 1,000 pounds of merchandise to VidCon. So if you're going to VidCon 2013, make sure to stop by the merch booth and check out all of these cool things and a lot more. Oh, and another thing, while you're at VidCon, you should totally snap some pictures of yourself repping your DFTBA gear, tweet it to me, and you might show up in a future warehouse video. Well, that does it for episode 1 of The Warehouse. We've got a lot of fun things planned for future videos. I'll probably take you guys on a warehouse tour. I'll show you some of the creepy paintings Hank was talking about. And who knows, we might even give away some signed merchandise. So I hope you guys stick around. All of the links to everything I talked about today will be down in the flap. If you guys have any questions you would like answered in a future warehouse video, let me know down in the comments below. And you guys can always find me on my channel, which is youtube.com/MatthewGatos, or on Twitter @MatthewGatos. So I will see you guys next Monday for another episode of The Warehouse. And as always, don't forget to be awesome.
Why are there leaves on this? Oh, that's a cricket!